Packing the base box.
Okay, we're going to box the base. So we have 4 pieces of foam. Each one is different. So you want to look for the ones that have the slot on the bottom, like this one. Put one in here. Look for the other one that has that same slot. That'll go on the opposite side. See they go in there like that. If I do this, so I guess we can just show what. Probably not gonna show. As you can see, that just fits in here like so. Other pieces. And we go in a certain direction. Make sure all the pieces are in. Secure it. You see these little slots in the front? That slides down. We're locked and loaded and put in.